Craving your favorite burger but only have an American Express gift card? No problem. Watch this video to learn how to fuel your cravings with your Amex gift card on Uber Eats. First, open the Uber Eats app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Next, tap on the account icon. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your account settings. Now, look for the wallet or payment option. The wording might vary slightly, but it should be easy to spot. Then click on it. On the wallet screen, you'll see an option to add payment method. Tap on that. A list of payment options will appear. Select credit or debit card. This might seem counterintuitive for a gift card, but trust me, it works. Now, carefully enter your American Express gift card details. This includes the 15-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 4-digit security code found on the front of the card. Be sure to double-check everything to avoid errors. Next, complete the billing address section. Use the address associated with the American Express gift card. Tap Save. Your American Express gift card should now be listed as a payment method. When placing your order, make sure to select your American Express gift card as the payment method before confirming your order. If the total exceeds your gift card balance, you'll need to add another payment method to cover the remaining cost. That's it. You are now ready to enjoy your delicious meal with your American Express gift card. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.